Hey guys, this is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my 2 DIY Rakhi ideas which are very easy and very doable. So yeah, if you want to know, then keep on watching. So for this DIY, you need a pair of scissors, resham ka dhaga, embroidery needle, pearl or any kind of moti basically, scale and a sellotape. So yeah, let's begin. Take any colored resham ka dhaga you want. You can use wool as well, oon as well. If you don't have resham ka dhaga, you can use thread also, but you have to make sure that you have to take at least 3 layers of each. Now cut the thread into 3 pieces, 40 centimeter each, and then make a knot at one end measuring 15 centimeters. Now stick it on the surface for the better stability and place them little far from each other. And why? You will see that in a bit. Now start making knots like I'm doing here. It's kind of difficult to explain what I'm doing, but when you'll observe it, it's very easy to do. You have to make 5 pair of knots from both sides, and in total it'll be 10 knots. Now put needle in the central thread and start putting pearl or moti inside it. You can put as many moti as you want, but you have to make sure that it should fit your brother's wrist. It should be on the top of your brother's wrist. Now separate one moti from the others and make a knot from both the ends like I am doing here. Then again separate another moti and make knot from both the ends. Guys, it's that easy. It's very easy and very doable. In the same way, keep adding moti one after the other and make knots from both the ends. Yes guys, it is so easy, so doable and yet stunning. Once all the motis or pearls are over and knotted properly, then start making knots like we did earlier when we started. This is how you can seal all the motis on their place. Once you're done with 5 pair of knots like we did earlier, start braiding all 3 of them. जैसे चोटी गूंथते हैं, braid them in the same way. Now we have to put 3 motis inside them. So take all 3 threads together, put it inside needle, all 3 of them. Then put moti inside it. I'm putting 3 motis, you can put 2 or 4 as well. But don't put more than that or else it might look clumsy. Then braid them again a little bit more, make a knot at the end and then cut extras to make it look neat. You have to do the same at the other end as well. Braid it properly, then put moti inside, make a knot and then cut the extras to make it look clean. And yeah, that's how it will look at the end. Very simple, very elegant and very beautiful. Okay, so let's move on to the next DIY Rakhi. Again, you have to take any colored dhaga of your own choice, cut 3 pieces of it, 40 centimeter each, and then make a knot measuring 15 centimeter from one end. Again, stick it on the surface or the platform, but this time separate them into 2 parts and put needle at both the ends. Now take one moti and take left needle through the moti towards right and then take right needle through the moti towards left like I'm doing here. It might sound a little complicated guys, but when you'll observe, you will realize that it's very easy to do. Now for the second round, you have to take 2 motis and have to follow the same step. Take left needle through the moti towards right and then take right needle through the moti towards left. We have to follow the same steps for 3 motis, then 4 motis, then again 3, then 2, then 1 moti. I'll put a picture on the left side or right side how you have to follow the pattern. Now you have to make simple knots here like I am doing. At the end, braid all the 3 layers together on both the ends and then put moti, make a knot, cut the extras to make it look clean like we did earlier in our first DIY. I made a similar one in purple and orange color as well, and look guys, it looks so stunning and pretty. I'm super proud of myself. And yeah, if you want to add value to this Raksha Bandhan, and also if you don't want to go outside and shop, please don't, then do try them at home. They are very easy yet beautiful. And yeah, I hope you like this video. I'll see you soon in next video. Bye bye. Cheers.